Next type of pronoun is demonstrative pronoun. Today we will learn about demonstrative pronoun. First of all, what is demonstrative pronoun? A demonstrative pronoun is a pronoun that points to someone or something. Here we have 4 demonstrative pronouns: this, that, these, and those. When do we use them? Use this for one person or thing that is near you. Example, this is my bag. Look here, bag is nearby the girl. So, here we use this. That. Use that for one person or thing that is far from you. Far meaning that is not near. Here, bag is not near the girl. So we will use pointing word that. That is my bag. Here, pointing word that is used. These. Use these for more than one person or thing that is near you. Again, for more than one person or thing that is near you. These are my shoes. We will use pointing word these for more than one person or thing that is near. Look here, his shoes are near the boy. So we will use the pointing word these. These are my shoes. Next we have those. Use those for more than one person or thing that is far from you. Far meaning not near. Here, when something is far from us and it is more than one, we will use those. Look here, now shoes are more than one and they are not near the boy. So we will use here those. Those are my shoes. Easy trick to remember. This is used when something or someone is near and is one. That is used when something or someone is far and is one in number. These are used when something or someone is more than one and it is present near. Those are used when something or someone are more than one, but they are not near. They are present far. So we will use those.